Hi you all, welcome back to Chelly's Kitchen. Of course, I'm back at y'all with another great video. I just wanted to drop in and do a really quick video. Today is Super Bowl Sunday. Yay, go Chiefs! So yeah, I just wanted to drop in really quick just to do a really quick video. We're going to do chocolate covered strawberries. Valentine's is right around the corner. And I don't know about y'all, but here in Kansas City, they trying to charge us like $35 for 6 grapes. And I'm not paying $35 for 6 grapes. So I'm going to show you today how to do your own chocolate covered strawberries. Let's get into it, y'all. So as you see here, I already got it set up. All you need is some strawberries, of course. Got these from my local Hy-Vee, some strawberries. And then, of course, you would need some chocolate. Now this is chocolate, y'all, and where you find this chocolate at is in the baking aisle, where you see the cakes and the brownies and the flour, the sugar. The baking aisle is where you find this chocolate. All we got to do is put it in the microwave, melt it, dip our strawberries, and we're done. So you can get this at your local grocery store for about $4, y'all. It's definitely worth it. Great chocolate. It tastes so good, so creamy. This is what you want. All right. So this is what you need, and then you will also need some wax paper. If you do not have wax paper, aluminum foil will work. If you have aluminum foil, just use aluminum foil. If you have wax paper, use wax paper. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So as y'all see, I rinsed my strawberries, and then after I rinsed them, I went by and I dried each strawberry the best to my knowledge. So these are our strawberries all rinsed off, dried. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and get into this chocolate. Y'all, again, this chocolate is a game changer. I swear to God, it's so easy. It's only 3 steps. The first step is to remove the plastic lid and inner seal. And then we're just going to microwave this on high for 30 seconds. So what you do is put it in your microwave on high for 30 seconds. You pull it out, give it a stir. If it's not all melted, which it won't be all melted, or you put it back in there for another 30 seconds, pull it back out, stir it up, and you just keep doing that until the chocolate is completely melted. That's all you're doing, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and take the seal off. I can get it off, y'all. I don't want to come off. There we go. And let me show y'all. So if you look in there, y'all, just little chocolate chips is what it is. And you don't need no milk, no water, no nothing. We're just going to go ahead and put this in the microwave on high for 30 seconds. And give it a stir. You put it back in there for 30 seconds, give it a stir until it's a nice chocolatey consistency. So let's get to it, y'all. I'm going to put these in the microwave. So just place it in your microwave. And then we're going to put it on 30 seconds and start. Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, I gave it a quick little stir. Y'all see the chocolate is melting. This is what you want. Now, like I said, the chocolate's not all the way melted, so we're going to put it back in there for another 30 seconds and pull it back out and give it another stir. Probably got to do this probably about 4 times, 3 to 4 times, depending on your microwave and how hot your microwave gets. I'm going to put on another 30 seconds. Alright, y'all. So this is the second time we put it on for 30 seconds. Give it a stir. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that chocolate. That's what you want. So we're going to give it another stir. Oh, we might be done. Look, yeah. We only did it twice, y'all. Look. It's ready. Alright. So of course, I did buy 2 of these. I don't know if I'm going to need both of them. So we're just going to start with the one. And then if I need the other one, we'll definitely go ahead and microwave that one too. Alright, so I'm just going to set my chocolate right here. And what I'm going to do, y'all, is just dip my strawberry. So you want to grab a strawberry. Grab it by its little, whatever this is. And just dip it. Pull it out. The excess drip. And set it on the paper. We're going to do another. We're going to just keep doing this until they're all dipped. Okay, you all, so I am all done dipping the strawberries. As you can see, there is a little bit of chocolate left. I was able to dip 16 strawberries with this chocolate, y'all. So you can kind of do your math on how many strawberries you need. I got 16, probably could have got another one out of, so about 17 strawberries out of 1 cup. So when you dip them, y'all, of course, if you want, you can just go ahead and start eating them if you want. If you want that hard chocolate coating over them, what we're going to do is put these in the refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes. And when we're going to put these in the refrigerator, and then we're going to pull them back out, and then I'm going to show y'all how they get hard once you put them in the refrigerator, y'all. So stay tuned. I'll put them in the refrigerator 15, 30 minutes. I'm going to come back, and then I'll show y'all the finished result and making your own chocolate covered strawberries. All right. Alright, y'all, so we are all done. So I done put them back out of the refrigerator. As y'all can see, I put them in these little cupcake cups. You can also find these over there in the baking aisle, y'all. These is the same, like if you was making cupcakes, just buy some of these to put them in to make them look all cute and fancy. And yeah, just one more time, here go that chocolate, y'all. One last time. Definitely just stop in your baker's aisle. Get this, is about $4, $3 or $4. Definitely worth it. This is the finished product. We put them in the refrigerator for about 20-30 minutes. Really don't want to move them because they're shifting on the plate. But this is the finished product, y'all. Chocolate covered strawberries. So I'm going to go ahead and give a taste for one. So, don't these strawberries don't they look cool to you? Like I said, they trying to charge $35 for 6 and 8 grapes, and I can't pull myself together to pay that if it's not edible arrangement. That's the only way I'm spending that kind of money, if it's edible arrangement. So if your name ain't edible arrangement, you're not getting that type of money from me. I'm gonna make them myself, y'all. This is how you make chocolate covered strawberries. This is the finished product. Look at that chocolate. Yummy. I'm gonna give a bite. Mmm. So good, Fire. The chocolate, y'all, is like it's a real milk chocolate. It is so good. Go get this chocolate, y'all. And then you can even be fancy if you want. Add like, because you're going to be in the baking now, so check out all the, they got like little glitter you can dip them in, or just other stuff you can use. So definitely you can put little sprinkles on them, or you can dip them in glitter. They got other things you can dip them in, but if you're just basic and you just want some yummy chocolate covered strawberries, just go to your local store, grab you some chocolate, grab you some strawberries, girl, and make your own chocolate covered strawberries. These is perfect for like office parties, potlucks. These is perfect for birthday parties. This is perfect for you and the kids on a Friday night watching movies. This is perfect for a snack for the kids, a snack for you and your loved one, you and your partner. It's just so good, y'all. A perfect treat. It's like a party in your mouth, y'all. I swear to God, it's like a party in your mouth. All the chocolate and the strawberries. So there you have it. We made chocolate covered strawberries. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. Y'all have a great rest of the day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great video.